Hey, what's going on, guys? What is up and what is happening? I'm Rose. Welcome back to another video. And if this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, the notification bell next to it so that you will be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a vegan mince meat or neat, or aka vegan ground meat. And it's gonna be very easy to make, super duper duper yummy. And yeah, let's get veggie. Alright, so let's get to it. First thing is about a tablespoon of olive oil into our pan. Our pan has already been heating up. Next thing we're tossing into our pan is half of a red onion that has been diced really small or finely chopped, and I'm just gonna let this get a little translucent. It's not gonna take too long because our pan is already preheated. Next, I'm adding in my garlic. I have 3 garlic cloves minced here. You can do 2 garlic cloves, but I like the strong flavor of the garlic, so I like to add 3. The full recipe will be linked down below. So I think that's pretty good, and I don't want to let it overcook too much either because it's still going to stain the pan. Next thing we're going to do is add in 10 ounces of, what is this here? I forgot what this is. Mushrooms. So I have 10 ounces of button mushrooms that I actually tossed into the food processor and just chopped it up until it became very small pieces, so it looks like minced really well. Alright. Oh, also, you guys, while our mushrooms are cooking and browning a bit here, I wanted to tell you guys that I have embarked, a couple weeks ago, I decided to start going to the gym again because I kind of like quit going to the gym for a long time. And I decided to get back into the gym and get like the most fit I've ever been before. And I am, and I've started documenting my journey on Instagram. Let me know if you guys would like to see a video on that, or kind of like a video on the process of how everything is going and updates on my channel. And yeah, let me know down below. Also, let me know, do you guys go to the gym? Are you guys staying fit? Do you guys exercise on a daily basis? What's your deal? Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes or so, and our mushrooms have kind of like released all of the liquid, and all the liquid has cooked down or cooked out or evaporated or whatever you want to call it. And right now they're looking nice and brown, and this is what you want. You don't want them to be looking all soggy, and you don't want like a watery liquidy mess. You want it to be like this, that if you press it, you're not seeing any liquid just like roll off of it. And I'm just going to place this, actually set this to the side. Next, straight into the same pan, I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to add in a 14-ounce block of extra firm tofu that has been crumbled up into the pan. And we're going to basically do the same exact thing with this that we did with the mushrooms, and that is to release all of the excess liquid. And while we're having the liquid evaporate from the mushrooms and also the tofu, I have the temperature, the heat on high, so that everything can kind of like evaporate faster and everything can work, speed it up. And if you're seeing that I'm not adding any seasonings, that's because it's not time yet, okay? Don't get ahead of yourself. We will get there. Alright, so our tofu is nice and dry, and I like to get this as dry as possible. Here's what happened. The camera stopped filming and I didn't even, or stopped recording and I didn't even realize it, but all I did at this point was mixed both of the things, of the mixtures together, the tofu and the mushrooms, and then tossed in the seasonings and mixed it up. That's it. The link is down below for the full recipe so you guys can check it out. You guys won't miss a thing. P.S. This is what happens when you're a one-woman show. So I'm going to give this a whirl straight out of the pan. Here we go. Here we go. Oh man. You guys, that is so good. It's so good. I love it so much because I'm not a big fan of like the mock meats and the fake meats and seitan and all that. I make them because I know a lot of people enjoy them, and my kids really like them too. But I'm just not a fan of them personally. So I'm always like trying to make up different things that kind of like give you that meaty feel without actually being too meaty. And this is absolutely perfect. I love it so much. You guys have to try it out. Let me know what you guys think if you guys try it out. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram using the hashtag VeggieFam. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Thank you for watching. I love you, and bye.